In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the Analysis Toolpak to compute some descriptive statistics of a numerical variable in Excel. To do this, we are assuming that the Analysis Toolpak has already been enabled in Excel, and you should be able to find in the Data menu, all the way over to the right, this button, Data Analysis. I'm going to click that button. We have a number of data analysis tools available here. We will choose Descriptive Statistics and click OK. I'm going to compute descriptive statistics of this variable in column D, as in dog, median rent. This is the median rental price for 2-bedroom units in each county. I'm going to select that text box, and then I'm going to select the data. We'll put it in a new workbook. I would like some summary statistics. I'll have a confidence level for the mean. That'll be like a margin of error for the mean. And I'll look at the largest value and the smallest value. So I'll select all 4 of these checkboxes, and I'll click OK. Here we have our descriptive statistics. The mean of the median rental prices is $1,169.84. We have the standard error, a little more on that in a bit. We have the median, that is the middle county in terms of rental price, being $1,023 and almost 9 cents. We have the mode, the most common. We have the standard deviation, variance, kurtosis, skewness. Some of these are beyond the scope of this tutorial. We have the range. That's the difference between the largest and the smallest value. We can see the smallest value. There's a county somewhere in the United States where the median rental price for a 2-bedroom unit is $530 per month. We have another county, and I'll give it away. It is San Francisco, where the median rental price for a 2-bedroom apartment or condo is $4,730.83. That's not the most expensive in San Francisco. That's the median. Half of the rentals are more than that. We have the sum. That's not too meaningful here. We have the count. We had 330 observations. And finally here, our confidence level. That's like a margin of error for the mean. Our mean price for rentals was $1,169. Now that is the rental price for our sample. If we wanted to make an inference for the whole population, this would be our best guess, but our margin of error on that guess is about plus or minus $59.28. The confidence level, or that margin of error, is always almost about double the standard error. And so that's how those two numbers are related to one another. So almost double. And that concludes this tutorial on computing descriptive statistics using the Data Analysis Toolpak.